golden, juicy, and bursting with sunshine. Oranges are more than just a fruit. Just one medium orange gives you over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. A true gift of nature. But beyond nutrition, they carry stories of labor, love, and innovation. From the moment they fall like golden rain in orchards, to the journey through high-tech machines. Today, let's slow down and explore the surprising journey behind this everyday treasure. Do you know each year, the world produces over 75 million tons of oranges? That's heavier than 700 aircraft carriers. From Brazil to California to India, oranges grow wherever the sun shines, and every peel holds a piece of the world's sunshine. On large farms, machines lend a helping hand. They gently shake the trees, and ripe oranges fall like golden rain into nets below. It's oddly satisfying to watch, almost like nature dancing with technology. But even with all that machinery, in many places, oranges are still picked by hand. There's something timeless about that. A skilled worker gently cutting each orange from the branch, placing it carefully into a crate. And here's something that might surprise you. One person can harvest up to 1,500 oranges a day. That's not just labor. It's a rhythm of life, passed down through generations. So, what happens after the oranges leave the orchard? Well, this is where the magic continues, inside the orange processing plant. The oranges are gently unloaded and placed onto conveyor belts, ready for their transformation. First stop, a thorough rinse. The oranges roll through high-pressure washers, scrubbing away every speck of dirt, leaves, and dust from the fields. Then, powerful blowers dry them off, spinning gently like tiny tumble dryers. Then comes the human touch. Skilled workers scan and sort through the fruit on fast-moving conveyors. They catch what the machines can't, with speed, precision, and experience. But this is the 21st century after all, and the next stop is the high-tech scan zone. Each orange passes under multi-angle cameras and smart sensors, checking color, size, and even tiny imperfections beneath the surface. In a split second, a robotic arm nudges it onto the right path. Small, medium, large, all perfectly sorted. You won't believe this. Some factories can sort more than 300 oranges every second. That's right, 300 per second. That's over 1 million oranges per hour. Crazy, right? It's not just fast, it's mind-blowing. Once sorted, it's time to pack. Robotic arms arrange some oranges like precious gems, symmetrical and perfect. They rotate, align, and gently place the fruits into trays or cartons, perfectly spaced, neat, and spotless. Oranges are also packed in bright, breathable mesh bags, the kind you've probably grabbed at the grocery store without a second thought. They're practical, easy to carry, and perfect for everyday shoppers. But machines aren't everything. In premium factories, packing is still done by hand. Each orange gently checked, turned, and placed with care. In markets like Japan, that human touch matters. A hand-packed box can sell for over $100 as a thoughtful, high-quality gift. Finally, the packed boxes are lifted and stacked by towering robotic cranes, moving with quiet precision. Some of the high-tech warehouses can hold over 10,000 tons of fruit at once. That's equivalent to more than 100 million oranges, just waiting for their next destination. From there, they head out across the globe, to Japan, Canada, Germany, South Korea, and, of course, the United States. Oranges are truly a global fruit. And they're not just delicious, they're powerful. Just one medium orange gives you over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. A natural immunity booster, straight from the tree. Fresh, juicy, ready to brighten someone's day. So the next time you peel one open, remember, it's not just a fruit. It's a journey of sunshine, science, and a little magic. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.